Dear students and learners, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. I'm your digital teacher Professor Hina Kausar, and this video lecture is about question answers of 4.3 lesson Around the World in 80 Days. These questions are there given in the question bank provided by SCRT on 15th March 2021. I have already uploaded video lectures on 4.1 lesson History of Novel, 4.2 lesson To Serve with Love taken from the question bank. I'm providing you links of all my important video lectures based on question bank. You can go to the description box of this video lecture and get the PDF. Let's see question number 5C. Question number 5C will be based on the lesson 4.3 Around the World in 80 Days, and you have to answer in about 50 words to questions given below. So there will be two questions in your board examination from 4.3 lesson. Each question carries 2 marks, total 4 marks. First question is explain how the author has made use of international dateline and time zones in his novel. तो अगर आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा इसके पहले ये लेसन 4.3 अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 डेज, तो आपको थोड़ी बहुत स्टोरी उसकी पता होगी कि जो उसका मेन कैरेक्टर है वो है फिलियास फॉग, और कैसे फिलियास फॉग 80 डेज में 80 दिनों में पूरी दुनिया का चक्कर लगाता है. तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना है कि हाउ द ऑथर, जो ऑथर है हमारे इस नॉवेल के, उन्होंने इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन को कैसे यूज़ किया है और टाइम जोन को कैसे यूज़ किया अपने नॉवेल में. आंसर में हमने लिखा है कि फिलियास फॉग एक्सेप्ट्स द चैलेंज ऑफ गोइंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 डेज. फिलियास फॉग चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करता है कि 80 डेज में वो पूरी वर्ल्ड का चक्कर लगा के आएगा. द मेंबर ऑफ द रिफॉर्म क्लब, एक रिफॉर्म क्लब है जहाँ पे उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं. फिलियास फॉग वहाँ जाता है इंग्लैंड में, उनसे ये शर्त लगाता है वेजर, और जीत की रकम होती है 20,000 पाउंड्स. फॉग गोज अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ही गोज थ्रू ब्रिंडिसी, स्विस, मुंबई, कोलकाता, हांगकांग, योकोहामा, सैन फ्रांसिस्को, न्यूयॉर्क एंड लिवरपूल. He thinks that he has missed the deadline of 80 days and hasn't reached London. His companion Passepartout learns that their journey through the different time zones had gained them a day. They reached London a day before the deadline. The author has aptly used time zone in his novel Around the World in 80 Days. Second question is, money was never a concern for Mr. Phileas Fogg. It was for honor he accepted the wager. Answer is, Mr. Phileas Fogg has the opportunity to double his fortune, but Fogg's adventurous journey has nothing to do with the money. He accepts the wager to preserve his honor and prove his worth. He wants to show the members of the Reform Club that he can do anything he sets out to do. He spends nearly all of his money along the way. This shows that for Fogg, honor is more important than money. Third question is, Phileas Fogg's travel around the world was full of adventures and surprises. Illustrate. Answer is, the title Around the World in 80 Days itself indicates the adventures in the novel. The novelist takes the readers to a journey of many hair-raising incidents and exciting, adventurous and thrilling places. The journey with trains and ships add adventures to the surprise. Fogg wins the heart of a beautiful and charming woman in India. The detective arrests Fogg at Liverpool. The great surprise is that he keeps his word, traveling around the world in 80 days. Question number 4 is, explain how the time gained of a full day is revealed to Mr. Fogg. तो Mr. Fogg को कैसे पता चलता है कि उन्होंने एक दिन जो है वो गेन किया है. Passepartout is sent to engage a clergyman. He runs out to get a reverend to marry Fogg and Auda, whom Fogg brought from India. The marriage is to be solemnized the next day on Monday, according to them. Passepartout learns that the next day is Sunday, not Monday. He concludes that their journey through the different time zones had gained them a day and that they are not late. He hurries home and reveals the truth to Mr. Fogg. तो पासपोर्टो जब एक क्लर्जीमैन को लेने के लिए जाता है तब उसे पता चलता है कि कल जो है वो संडे है ना कि मंडे है. Fifth question is Passepartout stations himself outside Phileas' doors. Give reasons. Answer is Passepartout stations himself outside Phileas' door because he wants to keep watch upon his master. Mr. Phileas confined himself as he thought he didn't reach London in time and lost the wager. Knowing that Englishmen governed by a fixed idea sometimes resort to suicide, Mr. Phileas may do that. Passepartout wants to avoid the situation if happens. He remains outside Phileas' door without the knowledge of Phileas. Sixth question is Passepartout blamed himself for the misfortune of his master. Justify. Passepartout blamed himself for the misfortune of his master, Mr. Fogg. He had concealed Fix's errand from his master. Fix had revealed his true character and purpose. If he had warned his master about Fix's purpose, his master would have given proof of his innocence. Fix would not have been on the heels of his master to arrest him. Fix जो है एक डिटेक्टिव का नाम होता है जो कि पासपोर्टो के मालिक फिलियास फॉग को अरेस्ट करता है और पासपोर्टो को फिक्स सारी बातें बता देता है कि वो उनका पीछा क्यों कर रहा है, वो उसके मास्टर को अरेस्ट करना चाहता है और ये बात पासपोर्टो फॉग को पहले नहीं बताता, जिसके कारण फॉग को अरेस्ट कर लिया जाता है। फिक्स जो है वो फॉग को अरेस्ट करता है, तो इसलिए पासपोर्टो जो है वो खुद को ब्लेम करता है अपने मास्टर के मिसफॉर्चून के लिए। Seventh question is compare the remorse in the minds of Mr. Fogg and Auda for the seeming failure of his wager. Auda is surprised when Mr. Fogg is arrested. Her heart revolts against a charge of robbery on Fogg. She weeps bitterly as she can do nothing to save her protector. Mr. Fogg thought that he was rich enough when he decided bring Auda from India. She would be free and happy, but as he lost his wager, he was ruined. Question number 8 is explain the stress on the mind of Fogg after returning from world tour at Savile Row. After returning from the world tour at Savile Row, he did not open the windows and doors. No appearance of change was visible. He bore his misfortune with calmness. He could not sleep throughout the night. He did not take his breakfast and dinner. He buried himself in setting the affairs right. Question number 9 is narrate the happenings at Reform Club on the 80th day of the wager. The 5 club members awaited Mr. Fogg at Reform Club on the 80th day of the wager. क्योंकि 5 जो क्लब मेंबर थे रिफॉर्म क्लब के जिन्होंने मिस्टर फॉग के साथ में वेजर लगाई थी, शर्त लगाई थी, वो वेट करते हैं 80th डे पे जब आता है। दे वर एक्साइटेड अबाउट विनिंग द वेजर और उन्हें यकीन है कि वो लोग जीत रहे हैं वेजर एज दे वर श्योर मिस्टर फॉग वुड नॉट रीच देयर इन टाइम, क्योंकि मिस्टर फॉग जो है वो टाइम पे नहीं आएगा उन्हें लगा। थॉमस फ्लैनेगन एक रिफॉर्म क्लब मेंबर का नाम है, इंक्वायर्ड अबाउट अराइवल ऑफ लास्ट ट्रेन कब आई थी उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने अंदाज़ा लगाया। दे वर कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट द क्लॉक, दे काउंटेड द सेकेंड्स एट द 55th second. A loud cry was heard, followed by applause, and Phileas Fogg appeared before the pendulum beat the 60th second. He put his promise of traveling the world in 80 days. लेकिन फॉग वहाँ पे पहुँच जाता है टाइम पे। 10th question is there was no general agreement about Mr. Fogg's success in the opponents discuss. To be very frank, I am unable to answer this question. There was no general agreement about Mr. Fogg's success in the opponents. तो मुझे तो नहीं आया इसका आंसर लिखना, बट आई एम श्योर कि शायद आप में से कोई इसका आंसर ज़रूर लिख लेगा। 11th question is narrate the happenings at a prison where Fogg was kept under arrest. जब फॉग को अरेस्ट किया था डिटेक्टिव फिक्स ने तब की हैपनिंग्स आपको प्रिजन में जेल में जो हुई थी वो लिखना है। मिस्टर फॉग वॉज केप्ट इन प्रिजन, ही वॉज अरेस्टेड बाय फिक्स द डिटेक्टिव फॉर रॉबरी, और रॉबरी के केस में डिटेक्टिव फिक्स ने उन्हें प्रिजन में डाला था। पासपोर्टो वुड हैव फॉलन अपॉन फिक्स हैड he not been held by some policemen. Auda and he had remained at the prison to see Mr. Fogg. Mr. Fogg seated motionless, calm and without anger on the bench at 33 passed to Fix disclosed that the real robber is arrested and he set Mr. Fogg free. 12th question is all is well that ends well. Justify in the light of the extract from the novel Around the World in 80 Days. वो कहते हैं हिंदी में अंत भला तो सब भला, वही है ऑल इज वेल दैट एंड्स वेल. इसको आपको जस्टिफाई करना है अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 डेज की एग्जाम्पल लेके. Answer is Phileas Fogg accepts the challenge of going around the world in 80 days. The members of the Reform Club in England accepts the wager for £20,000. It was a roller coaster ride of traveling the world in 80 days. Fogg thinks that he has lost the wager as he arrived late, but the journey has earned him a day. At the end of the novel, Fogg wins the wager and gets married to Auda. Hence, the proverb "all is well that ends well" is apt for the novel. Apt का मतलब होता है suitable. Last question is winning the heart is preferred to the winning of wager expressed by supporting the details. Answer is in the novel Around the World in 80 Days, Fogg not only wins the wager but also wins Auda's heart. At the end of the novel, Fogg marries Auda. When Auda comes to know about Fogg losing the wager and his wealth too, she still stayed with him. Hence, Fogg's winning the heart is preferred to the winning of the wager. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now, and if you have any question related to this particular video lecture, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. And if you have any question related to your 12th class studies, you can also ask me in the comment box of this video. Thank you so much.